Not getting great results from your Ninja Creami? You might be making one of these common mistakes. Here's what to avoid and what to do instead. Mistake 1. Spinning before freezing for 24 hours. Your base needs time to set properly. Freeze it flat and level for a full 24 hours before running any cycle. Mistake 2. Overfilling the pint container. If you go past the max fill line, the blade may jam, or ingredients won't mix evenly. Always stay at or just below the line. Mistake 3. Using the wrong preset mode. Each mode is tuned for specific textures. Use ice cream for creamy bases, light ice cream for low fat, and mix in only after spinning once. Mistake 4. Skipping respin when needed. If your first spin looks crumbly or dry, respin is designed to fix it. Use it once or twice to fully blend and smooth your pint. Mistake 5. Not cleaning key parts regularly. The lid, paddle, and seal area build up residue fast. Neglecting them affects spin quality and can lead to leaks or smells. Avoiding these mistakes means better texture, less mess, and longer-lasting performance. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your best creamy yet.